Hi Stats class. This is a homework question from your 8.3 homework set. I've just did this one with your calculator. I'm going to show you how to do a similar one with StatCrunch. So click StatCrunch. Alright, now this is about a proportion. Alright, so we're going to go to Stat, Proportion Stats, a single sample, and we have a summary. So the number of successes, again, there's 156 yellow peas. So that's what we're considering success. The reason why is because it's talking about them being yellow through here, so that's what we're considering success. Number of observations, you need to add these two together. So 431 plus 156, so that's 587. And our hypothesis test, we're saying the proportion is 26%, so make sure you write this as a decimal, 0.26. Right, and then it wants us to do so it doesn't tell us a direction, so this is going to be a not equal to. Okay, so first of all, let me answer that part. So not equal to. So again, we need to have equality in the null hypothesis. So D, E, and F are the only ones with equals in the null hypothesis. So it's not A, B, or C because they have the not equals. And then E is the only one that doesn't give a direction. It never says if it's greater or less than that we're doing the claim. It just says to test the claim. So we choose a not equal to for that if it doesn't tell us the direction. Alright, what's the test statistic? So we're going to go back to StatCrunch and have it run the hypothesis test. And this is what it tells us. So the test statistic 0.3180. They want it to two places, so 0.32. Alright, and what's the p-value right there? 0.7504. Alright, and then our conclusions. Once we've got that, we're done with that. Our conclusions, again, you look at the p-value compared to alpha. Alpha is 0.01. If the p-value is less than alpha, we reject it. If the p-value is greater than alpha, we fail to reject it. We don't accept it. We don't ever accept. We fail to reject. Alright, we fail to reject because the p-value is less than. It's not equal. It's not less than. We fail to reject because the p-value is greater than. Alright, that's the reason why we would fail to reject. Alright, and then what does that mean? Well, there's not evidence. Anytime the p-value is bigger than alpha, we don't have evidence that supports our claim. So there's not evidence to warrant rejection of the claim. Again, the reason why, because both of these say not sufficient evidence, the reason why it's this and not this is because this one gives a direction, the less than. And that's not our alternate hypothesis. We don't have to have, we can't have less or greater than.